stone on this sloped column. These others were done a long time ago. We're just coming to add this one. We barely added this deck. Aside from this column, we've got to fix this little piece. When they framed the deck, they broke that off. And this one right here. Repair that and this one too. If you want to do this kind of stone, it's called French Country. Carmel Mountain, Coronado is the manufacturer. Coronado Stone Products. Been trying to match this existing stone and it's tough to do. I think they discontinued it, so if you can see the difference in the two styles, that's as close as stone as we could find. Not exact, but you're gonna have to do because that's all they had. Even this stuff was in an old decrepit box they had sitting there, been sitting there for a long time, hadn't sold it. So anyway, that's about as close as we could get. Okay, I've got to mention this because it's getting on my nerves a little bit. See how the post right there is not centered in this column. So you measure center to there, and then you plumb bob or level clear down to the bottom right there. Level it down to there. Get center on your post if you want your column to slope like say 6 inches from top to bottom. And then you just make that side smaller, the top smaller. But if you measure center off that post and then you frame it that way, you won't have a screwball looking thing where the post itself is on the edge of the column. Looks a little wild, crazy. Anyway, these guys that built these may not have knew that, so I decided to tell you how you could actually do that, because obviously somebody didn't build it, so I figured I'd give you that pointer. These ones are okay. This one is the same way. It's right at the edge of the post instead of centered on it. It just looks a lot nicer when it's centered. Even this one that we're building right now, it's the same way. It's not balanced, it's not centered, it's not level. well. Can't tell too much the color difference. Texture. Just wanted to show you this wall and why this wall looks like it's about to fall over. Show you exactly why these things lean out and they're about to tip over. Here's my level. It's a 9-inch level, and that rock is about 1.5 inches thick. So that's how bad that thing's sloping. It looks like it's gonna just fall down soon. But what you do is you put a, people don't think that you need a footing under these, but I'm a strong believer in a footing. So if you put a footing under it and then just form the inside edge to hook into the, so that the hook on the back of your retaining blocks can hook on the edge of your footing, those things won't go anywhere. So you look at all the work they put into this. Pretty cool looking little planter, but it's falling apart. So cool will only last so long. But one thing is, this climate here is pretty bad. It's like 4 feet of snow and it gets really cold. So anyway, that's just a good idea to build footing under these. If you guys are ever gonna put one in, good plan to do it. These top blocks, I don't know what they used here, but I always just use some exterior construction adhesive and just glue those things down. Makes them not ever come off. It doesn't look like they're doing too bad. It's not. Yeah, it looks like they glued it, but it didn't stick very good. If you don't use the exterior construction adhesive and you use the interior stuff, that stuff will fall right off. Or use Sikaflex. It's even a better product to use for it. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we'll be posting more and more of these as we go along. Show you some tips and tricks along the way. So hit that notification bell and you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.